Alright, to those who remember a 1996 Lennox heat pump here, well, as you can see, it got replaced with a brand new Bryant Legacy line heat pump. And its younger brother right here is actually running, both in cooling mode. Oh, it's from 2019. It's a 3-ton. Thought it was gonna be brand new. Guess not. And here's the big old Lennox running, 5-ton. The 2001 5-ton. And this brand new beast. Brand new Bryant logo. Brand new Bryant. Look, it's got a new plastic pad and new feet as well. Hopefully I can get this defrosting. And even new disconnect and whip. And I think I brand new line set as well. Yeah, both of them running. That is ice cold and sweaty. Reversing valve, and then this. Yeah, it's cold. Sweet. And this one looks like it has a new fan blade. That fan blade looks a lot shinier than I remember. Also rattling. Do wish I got the logo from that Lennox that got replaced. I think it's this. No. This thing's quiet when it's not rattling. Very quiet. New fan blade it looks like. So the Lennox Elite Series and a brand new Bryant Legacy line. And I think it's got an LG scroll. Yeah. I like LG scrolls. Alright. Yeah, I figured I'd get this video of these beasts running. Looks like it needs to be cleaned though. I think I came back here in, I believe it was either winter or spring. I came here, so. Yep. Rest in peace, the 1996 Lennox. Alright. Thanks for watching.